So I had met my late husband, Andrew Calhoun, at 15 years old in San Antonio, Texas. And coincidentally, we were in automotive. I have ran multiple automotive shop counters, and he actually was working and running multiple Midas locations for the owner at that time. And then we moved from Texas to Florida, which then the company he was working for brought us to Georgia. He was running the North Atlanta district for this company and had heard about this business, America's Best Automotive. And then who doesn't have the dream of owning their own company? You know, at that time, I was a stay-at-home mom. I was going to school. Andrew and I had 2 children, 1 boy and 1 girl. And when they were at school, I went to school. I actually have an English degree. I was planning on being a teacher. And then when he bought the company, I had started coming in helping to do paperwork. And then 3 years later, kind of found myself sometimes spending more hours here in the day than he did. But it just evolved. And then in 2013, we had acquired our second and coincidentally 3rd location. And about 90 days later, he passed away. I have kept it running and have held on and done everything I could to solidify the business. I've cleaned house quite a few times, and I wouldn't be anywhere else or do anything else because this is what I want to keep his legacy alive and our dreams alive. So we're automotive repair. We are full service. We can do everything from oil changes to engine swappings, but we specialize in suspension and alignment. He goes outside of the normal factory alignment, the book alignment, and being able to do, you know, tweaks of camber and caster that, you know, keeping the customer in the car and solidifying based on their weight and maneuverability with the customer's perspective in taking, you know, race alignments and, you know, doing corner weight balancing. And I have 2 technicians that work full-time. Lee has come on board with me when he was still in high school, and honestly, every day that goes by and I see him working and becoming so confident and strong in what he's doing, he just reminds me so much of Andrew. And so he started out busting tires and he changed oil, and now he's, you know, the go-to person. He runs the counter for me when I need him to. He covers everything pretty much, you know, all the different little aspects of running the business on the day-to-day. And I feel he has Andrew sitting on his shoulder, guiding him on his path in his profession, and it just blesses my heart every day. It really does. And so Jason, now he's been with me now over 2 years, almost 3 years. He's done multiple ASC certifications. He has gone and, you know, he goes to the NAPA training courses that NAPA provides. So Andrew chose to become a NAPA AutoCare, or to sign up and invest in the NAPA franchise, NAPA AutoCare franchise. If you utilize the tools that they provide and work the programs that they have, and it's a great community and organization to be involved in. The business development groups has taught me a lot, has expanded my contacts and knowledge base on every aspect of business, because I definitely didn't intend to be running the family business by myself, but with their help and tools, I've been able to utilize to learn as I go. But one of the biggest aspects I'd like to have to relate to my customers is not only the quality and trust within the brand name of parts, but also to being a NAPA AutoCare that provides us to be able to be more than just mom and pop shop. It provides nationwide warranty that can be very important to customers, knowing that they have coverage no matter where they go. I get a wide range of customers here, coming up from Atlanta, or I live out in Canton, so I even get a lot of customers up this way from around where I live. That and because of some different specials that I have online, it brings customers in the door that wouldn't normally find me. So it does help quite a bit, seeing as we don't necessarily have frontage road. I get a lot since 2009. Customers telling me every day, it was hard to find you, I passed you up. But I love to tell people, once you find us, you'll never forget us.
Now you have top local certified mechanics, quality, reliability, and efficiency standards backed by the national power of NAPA. Just look for the NAPA AutoCare logo. NAPA AutoCare Centers. The parts you trust are now the shops you rely on.